Little Caesars Pizza. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Excellent. Can I get a pepperoni stuffed crust?
For sure. Anything else?
No, that's it. You have any ready or no?
So I just have the regular pepperoni ready. So
Okay.
it's just gonna take around 10 minutes.
No problem. Perfect.
It'll just be $11.99.
How much was that? $11.99?
$11.99, yeah.
12 bucks. That's cheap, eh?
Let's get some beef.
Perfect.
Yo, what's up, Dave? Cheesecake, steak, PB&J. I ain't seen nobody ever that can eat like Dave. Taste testing with the best in the game. I ain't seen nobody ever that can eat like Dave. You can see him in the drive-thru, picking up the takeout he can dine into, yeah. Get the cooking, he gon' find you. Slide through, review, it's Davey's down.
Let's go check this out. Welcome back. By the slice, Big Dave. Little Caesars Pizza. The lowest price, medium stuffed crust pizza, pepperoni pizza, of any national chains. So, it's $11.99, 12 bucks. No tax presently in Ontario. Yeah, that's, Trudeau buying the election. Anyways, so we did check it out. Of course, we bought the pizza here, but we checked out Pizza, which is the next closest in price, which is going to cost you $16.79. Pizza Hut, well, $20.99. And, Papa John's, they don't have a medium, they only have a large, and it's going to cost you $23.75. Let's have a look at this one. Here it is. Pepperoni stuffed crust. Now, they do a little bit of work on these afterwards. They put garlic butter on the crust on the outside, and then they dust it with Parmesan cheese. Nice touch. Should we take a couple of pictures of this, Lucinda? Now you can apparently get these hot and ready. They had no hot and ready ones when we got in here. Well, let's face it, these things are better fresh. Anyways, especially from here. They've actually put more pepperoni on this pizza than I've ever seen from a pizza at Little Caesars. Maybe they saw the camera. I don't know. Usually they have, one or two slices per piece. Usually one slice per piece when they make the pepperoni hot and readies. Let's take a bite of this. A little oversauce rather than undersauce. I'd rather have it oversauced than undersauced. Let's try the stuffed crust. There's cheese in there, just not a lot. For 12 bucks when it costs you almost twice as much for one at Pizza Hut, not a bad price, I don't think. Let's give this thing a score. Fresh, is cooked properly. Good score for Little Caesars, 6.3. What do you think of stuffed crust pizza? Would you get it from here or would you go somewhere else? Hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, share, look for us next time. I'm Big Dave. This is By the Slice. Thanks for watching.
Oh, good.